up guys, it's Kelly and today I have a very exciting announcement for you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos, and let's get started. So if you're watching this video, that means you already saw the title and or thumbnail and know that I am announcing a brand new collaboration. So let me just go ahead and reveal it to you. Bum, 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 bum. So here it is. This is my collaboration stamping plate with MoYou London. And honestly, I have been trying so hard not to accidentally spoil this for so long, and I can't believe that the day is finally here that I get to show it to you guys. So yeah, let's just get into it. So this is a galaxy themed stamping plate that has 42 different designs on it to be stamped. And that seems like a huge amount, but I'm gonna go through each one, show you guys some examples. We're gonna have a fun time. But yeah, let's take a little peek at it. Before we get into the actual plate, I just wanna show you guys the back. It says MoYou London featuring Kelli Marissa, and it's got my little galaxy background, which I'm just so obsessed with this. When I saw this backing, I actually did cry a little bit because I think it's so beautiful. And by the way, in case anybody was wondering, you can spill acetone and nail polish remover all over this and it will not get ruined. I have tested that vigorously and accidentally. But yeah, so let me show you guys the front. Really quick before we get started, I do want to say if you don't know anything about stamping or what a stamping plate is, I actually have a whole video. I'm going to link it up in the cards, and it's just basically a nail polish 101 about what is stamping, how to do it, and a bunch of products to use. So yeah, let's talk about this stamping plate. So like I said, this is a galaxy themed plate, but it's a little bit different from my last collaboration plate. This time we're going for a different vibe here. I've been playing a lot with like reverse stamping and a lot with layered stamping, and I really wanted to reflect that in this plate. We also have a very different stylistic feel here. And one thing I actually, when we first started this like months and months ago, I really wanted to have it out by Halloween. Not because it's Halloweeny at all, but I just feel like some of these vibes could be a little Halloweeny. So yeah, we've got a ton of different designs. Like I said, there's 42 different images to stamp on here. Some are full nail designs, and then some can go over multiple nails. So I want to talk you guys through each design, give you a quick little overview of the plate, and then show you guys some examples of some manicures I've been working on. So I like to hold it this way. It is technically like a horizontal plate, but I like to hold it vertically. So we're gonna start at the top and work our way down. When you first look at the top of the plate, on the left and the right, we do have little constellations. We also have the different phases of the moon. We've got 3 different phases here, and cool little secret about those coming later. I'll explain in a minute. On the next row, we've got a few different galaxy designs here. So the first one here is really perfect for just a full galaxy manicure, and we've got a little planet on it. We've got some stars, and it's just really cute. You can also use this for a gradient, in case anybody was wondering. In the middle, we have this really beautiful illustrated crescent moon that has a little star in the middle. And then on the right, we have another gradient galaxy design. This was actually inspired by a manicure that I did a while back, and I totally loved it. I love doing the idea of like a galaxy gradient. So that I really wanted you guys to be able to recreate that. So that's what that little guy is for. Then on the next row, we have some really awesome stuff. We've got this little illustrated crescent moon that's got a little smile on it. We have an illustrated sun that matches the moon. And then we have my personal favorite, which is this crazy little Illuminati looking eye. And I know that's not exactly spacey, but it is like a little celestial. So I do like that a lot. On the next row, we have a really long spacey star galaxy design. And that was kind of for doing like across 4 nails galaxy manicures. So you can stamp different parts of this on different parts of the nail. We also have this really beautiful ringed planet that has stars around it. And then we get into the layering. So we've got 4 levels of layered stamping. The first layer is all of these different kinds of starbursts. So we've got 2 little regular diamond point stars, and then we have these little star bursts. And it's really cool because you can actually layer these. You don't have to, but like I said, it's just something I've been playing around a lot with. So I really love just layering these on top of each other. And fun bonus, they also kind of look like fireworks if you choose the right colors. So New Year's manicure right here. On the next layer, we have all of our different alchemical symbols. So I'll go over them really quickly with you guys. First up, we have the fire and water symbol, depending on which way you face it. We've got the moon, Mercury, we've got Venus, we've got the sun, we've got Mars, we've got Neptune, we've got Saturn and air and earth symbol. So again, depending on which way you flip them. So I just thought this was really cool. You can either add it as like little accents. I personally love having these like all over the nail. I think that looks really awesome. Then we have the next two layers, which are especially exciting. So we've got 4 different size circles, and then we've got 2 stars, and these are meant to be little planets. And the cool thing is that the layer on top of that has designs that you can layer over the circles and the stars. So you can kind of do double colored planets, and they've got layers over them. That's kind of hard to explain, but hopefully you can see in my little visual example. Now, there are a couple of really cool things about this. First really cool thing is this 3rd planet right here. This is actually the same size as the moon phases on top. So if you want to, this is just something that I thought would be really cool. If you want to have like a shadow of the rest of the moon, you can always pair that up with the moon phases. And then other cool little Easter egg, these 2 stars are actually the same size as this long galaxy line of stars. So you can also highlight some of these stars if you wanted to do that. But yeah, just a really cool way to play around with layering. I thought that was just so much fun. And then always, if you don't want it to be very planety, but you still feel like stamping, you can always stamp little spots on your nails, and it's cool. And then we have the final layer here, and this is our full nail designs. So we've got a couple of geometric ones. This one's like a really beautiful fractal design. We have this center one, which is what I'm wearing right now, that I'm super obsessed with, and it's just like a whole little like planets, constellations. It's got the whole eyeball in it because we're just going with the eyeball theme, and I'm totally in love with it. And then we have another really beautiful geometric design here, and you can either fill this in or you can keep it as an outline. But yeah, so that is the full plate, all 42 designs, and I have been having so much fun playing with this. Like I said, especially layering, I feel like that's just been so much fun for me, and I really wanted to have a way for you guys to do galaxy manicures while also doing tons of layering. And seriously, the possibilities are so endless. I have so many fun manicures that I want to show you guys. So I am going to be doing another stamping compilation, of course, with tons of designs using this plate, so you guys can get some inspo. But I'm also going to be featuring a lot of manicures on my Instagram page, so you guys can check that out, as well as I'll just show you guys a little sneaky peeky of what we're looking at right here. And honestly, I'm mostly excited to see what you guys come up with, because I love seeing what you create with my collaboration products. Honestly, it just makes me feel so humbled just knowing that people find inspiration in products that I helped create. So really excited for that. So yeah, let's talk about availability. This stamping plate is available from MoYou London. They do have a US website and a UK website, but this is available internationally, so you can get it. I'm gonna put links to both of the options down in the description for you guys. I have also curated some bundle sets and some other products that I love from MoYou London that I've been using. You guys have probably seen this in the background of a lot of things, especially like my live videos. This is the MoYou London silicone mat that I have been using. Clearly I used it for today's manicure and I didn't clean it up yet. But yeah, it's just super awesome because you can clean it with acetone. You can honestly just peel the excess off and it works perfectly fine. It's just a really good way to kind of cover up your workspace so that you don't get any mess anywhere. I have also been loving this larger stamper, and it is a clear stamper. This one's actually a little bit firmer, which I'm really loving. So it just kind of is very sticky, very firm. And then it took me like unreasonably long to figure this out, but you can actually pop off the back so that you can see through, and it is a clear stamper. So if you guys want to see what you're layering, you can do that. Quick shout out to the MoYou London team, because their packaging is adorable and I just love everything about it. Like all of their stamping plates, I think just come in the cutest little designs. So I really do love that. They also have a ton of different really beautiful opaque stamping polishes. Now you don't have to use stamping polishes to do stamping manicures. However, I personally prefer to. I would at least start off with a black, a white, a metallic, just so that you have your bases covered, and then you can kind of build your collection up from there. So you can check out all of the other colors and products that I recommend. I'll have that linked in the description for you guys. But before you buy it, one last thing, I do have a discount code that you can use on my curated products as well as my stamping plate. So you can use the code KELLI10 to get 10% off your order, and that is valid for both the UK website and the US website. So so we love a good deal. If you guys are planning on picking up this plate, I highly recommend you grab it ASAP because there is a limited amount of product. Now, that's not to say that this is limited edition and then gone forever. There will potentially be restocks, but MoYou London did only make a specified amount for this launch. And then if there is demand for another restock, we are going to do that. But yeah, I would highly recommend grabbing that because it does take a few months to produce new plates. But yeah, so I guess that is it for my stamping plate announcement. Like I said, I do have a ton of exciting stuff coming. I'm going to be showing you guys a ton of different manicures that I've created using this. And of course, I'm just really excited to see what you guys think of this, if you guys are planning on picking it up. And if you do, I would just love to see your manicures. So please tag me on social media. I'm Kelly Marissa everywhere. On Twitter, I'm Kelly_Marissa. But everywhere else, I'm just Kelly Marissa. And yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think of it. Are you planning on grabbing it? Please let me know. And also, I love you guys. And thank you so much for encouraging me and supporting me and loving my obsession with space and purple. I love having you guys to talk to. I love sharing these creations with you guys, and it's just really, really fun. So thank you guys so much. But yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up if you like my stamping plate, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I already said that, but I'm excited now. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and put out new videos every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. All right, I'm like way too hyperactive right now, so we're just gonna skip the fun fact for today, but we will resume the fun facts in the next video. But fun fact, I have a collaboration stamping plate with MoYou London. Okay, all right, bye guys.